Think dinosaurs went extinct? Look closer. They just traded scales for feathers. Today we look into the eyes of nature's ultimate killing machines. These are the 20 most dangerous birds on the planet. The Harpy Eagle, a primate's nightmare. With talons the size of a human hand and a grip that crushes bone instantly, it is the Amazon's ultimate final boss. Southern Cassowary, the world's most dangerous bird. One kick from its 12-centimeter dagger-like claw can disembowel a human instantly. Peregrine falcon, a biological missile exceeding 320 kilometers per hour. Its high-speed strike kills prey on impact. Kia, the mountain vampire. This intelligent parrot uses its curved beak to tear through the skin and fat of living sheep. African ostrich, a 150-kilogram giant. Its powerful kick can kill a lion by crushing its skull. Golden eagle, the mountain ruler. It spots prey from 2 kilometers away and often pushes large animals off cliffs to their death. Eurasian eagle owl, the feathered tiger of the night. It flies silently, hunting everything from foxes to hedgehogs. Bearded vulture, the bone crusher. It drops large bones from 100 meters high to shatter them against rocks. Secretary bird, a professional snake killer. It delivers lethal kicks in just 15 milliseconds, 5 times its own body weight and force. African marabou stork, the undertaker. This giant bird uses its massive beak as a club and even intimidates lions. Philippine eagle, the monkey eater, a rare jungle predator that maneuvers like a fighter jet to snatch primates. Martial eagle, Africa's largest eagle. It strikes from the stratosphere with massive bone-breaking talons. Gyrfalcon, the heavy interceptor of the Arctic, built for long-distance pursuit through polar storms. Andean condor, a 15-kilogram giant that uses its weight and massive beak to dominate the Andes. Spotted owl, a silent ninja that attacks humans directly by aiming for the head to protect its nest. Crowned eagle, the leopard of the air. It can kill monkeys 3 times its own weight. Lappet-faced vulture, the king of the feast, capable of tearing through the toughest animal hides. Giant petrel, the vulture of the Antarctic. These birds attack penguin colonies in groups, eating prey alive. Marsh harrier, the silent reaper. It uses a facial disc to hear prey beneath the reeds before striking. Common raven, the criminal mastermind, using high intelligence to coordinate attacks, proving that brains are the deadliest weapon of all.